Make a great choice today with the 2017 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, this vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, leather trim seats, traction control, stability control, voice-activated navigation system, power brakes, child safety locks, trip computer, tachometer, electronic brake force distribution. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
When purchasing an Acura Certified Pre-Owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura Certified Pre-Owned, once an Acura, always an Acura.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.